Hello, viewers of the Daily RV Life YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore the world of RV power amps and understand the differences among them. So, let's dive right in. When it comes to powering your RV, having the right amp is crucial. It ensures that all your electrical appliances and devices work smoothly during your adventures on the road. Now, let's discuss the three main types of RV power amps and their unique characteristics. 1. Shore power amps. These amps are designed for connecting your RV to a land-based power source, such as an electrical pedestal at a campground. Shore power amps come in various capacities, ranging from 30 to 50 amps. It is essential to match the amp rating of your RV's power cord with the shore power amp to avoid any electrical issues. 2. Generator power amps. If you enjoy boondocking or camping in remote areas without access to shore power, a generator power amp is your best friend. These amps provide the necessary power for your RV when you're running a generator. Keep in mind that generators have different wattage outputs, so ensure that your power amp can handle the generator's wattage. 3. Inverter power amps. Inverter power amps are ideal for RVers who want to utilize their RV's battery power efficiently. They convert DC, direct current, power from the batteries into AC, alternating current, power that can be used by electronic devices in your RV. Inverter power amps come in different sizes and power ratings, allowing you to choose the one that suits your specific needs. In conclusion, understanding the difference in RV power amps is crucial for a successful and hassle-free RVing experience. Whether you're connected to shore power, relying on a generator, or utilizing battery power, choosing the right power amp ensures everything functions smoothly. We hope this article has provided you with valuable insights into the world of RV power amps. Thank you for tuning into the Daily RV Life YouTube channel. We'll see you next time with more exciting RV tips and tricks. Happy RVing!